The air quality in the different parts of our area, including in Lake Tahoe. You can see the 3 areas covered in smoke because of the Caldor Fire and also the Dixie Fire. We find ABC 10's Van 2 live in the area of Lake Tahoe. Van, how are people handling it there?
Well, right now, as you can see through the lens, probably, Madison, ash is falling down here at Myers. This is where Highway 89 and 50 meet. Highway 50 remains closed with no estimated time to reopen, and this is the edge of an evacuation warning zone. And folks remaining in the Tahoe Basin this weekend are holding their breath figuratively and almost literally due to the Caldor Fire threat and hazardous air quality that has plagued the community for days. Now, the area, usually in full swing at this time of year, has been a ghost town, really, with the El Dorado Forest closed and the city of South Lake Tahoe proclaiming an emergency Thursday, plus the Tourism Authority encouraging visitors to postpone their trips. Now, today we did see some locals venturing out to the lake as the AQI has been below it's been in days in Lake Tahoe, though still pretty terrible. Now, as we watch the Caldor Fire and the evacuation updates closely, emergency officials and highway officials recommend anyone who has the means to leave the Tahoe Basin early to do so.